Well, it was a very, very fun experience. Like both of them said, he's such a fun person to be around. He just lightens up the whole atmosphere. So shooting such a heavy-duty action film felt like a joyride because of him. And it was definitely a surreal experience working with the OG action hero. For me, growing up watching his films, it was definitely something that felt surreal at least.
Right, fantastic. We'll straight away get into the rapid fire. Number one, your all-time favorite action hero. We'll start with you doing it.
My all-time favorite action hero, Jackie Chan.
What about you, Shri?
See, you're sitting here now. I was like, think of another name, think of another name. No, Tiger.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, so I'll balance it out then and say Akshay. So now,
Fantastic.
full representation.
Perfect. Okay, we'll start with the liar this time. Your favorite all-time song. If you could sing a line, all right. If not, that's fine too.
I won't sing a line because I don't want people
I know which one to
to
sing.
get affected. I'm a very lame person. I need to hype myself up before work days, and so before every work day, either in the car or while I'm getting ready, I listen to Unstoppable by Sia because then I feel all pumped up and ready.
Mine keeps changing. I have phases with songs. I think right now the title track from Badi Miyan Choti Miyan, it's so catchy. The tune it just keeps playing in my head.
All right, fantastic. Tiger, what about you?
As of now, I'm really tripping on our love song that we have. The video has not come out yet, but I don't know if you've heard the audio. It's called Rang Ishq Ka. So, yeah.
No, just two songs at least. I haven't really
Oh, okay,
heard it,
okay.
but I'd like to because we play it on the radio.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Fantastic. We'll start with you this time. What is your biggest fear?
Oh my god, this is gonna get deep now. I think fear of failure. Everyone has fear
Everyone,
of
as an
failure.
actor. Yeah.
My biggest fear is like for my parents to walk out of the theater and be like, "What have you done?" Maybe like just fear of failure. Like.
All right, so should I keep this as a generalized answer, or we will both go one-on-one on that as well?
I mean, I can give you a
It could
phobia
differ
also.
from
For
to a-
I can give you a proper phobia also, and I've googled this. It's called Katsiridophobia, and I put this in my Miss World form. They asked, "What's your biggest fear?" And I was like,
What is
20. So I thought they're asking for a proper phobia. It's a fear of cockroach.
What? Did you really put that?
That's quite
funny.
And they were
generic,
like,
right?
"Oh, "What is this?"
I have aerophobia actually. Yeah, I have a fear of flying.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, so in the tiny planes, you must be getting really stressed. Not the charters.
All kinds of planes.
Really?
Yeah, the plane
Why?
shakes a little bit, and oh gosh, my mind starts beating.
Yeah,
I start
I get it.
sweating. My heart beats.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy.
No idea.
What about you, man?
I think it's again, it's going to sound very stupid, but it's a legitimate fear of entering a party alone. Like
Oh, yeah,
I need
she
to
has it.
enter with someone, and then I'm super social and confident. Once I'm in a party, I'm perfectly capable of handling myself. It's the entering. For some reason, I'm like, what if I don't see anyone I know? I'll just be walking aimlessly,
Yeah.
and it's a proper fear. I've not gone to so many important parties just because I didn't have someone to enter with.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is a first, actually.
Yeah,
No,
and
I
it
know
comes
of
in the
this.
way- Yeah.
I know of this.
I'm always calling her saying, "Are you coming? Okay, fine, let's go together, let's please." Always.
Wow.
Yeah.
The other one, well, a little bit fun this time, not that serious. Well, what's the first thing that you do when you wake up? The first thing.
I usually take a piss.
Yeah.
If I can say.
Get that. Yeah.
But yeah, because I drink a lot of water, so like I just rush to the washroom.
This is gonna be the promo shot there. What about you?
I mean, I know it's something you're not supposed to do, but I do land up looking at my phone. Just because your alarms also ring on your phone, so you sort of want to see what you've missed. Or I do check my phone, but not for long. But it is the first thing I do.
What about you?
The very first thing, I pick up my phone and I see the time.
All right, okay, fantastic. One of my personal favorite memes, and I hope you don't mind when I say that.
No, go ahead.
Is Choti Pachi.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, and every time it just comes and cannot stop but, be hysterical.
Yeah.
And, wow. Could you say that for us?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
मस्त मलंग जो